Today we're going to be looking at a massive 10 terabyte hard drive from Western Digital. So this is part of their Purple series, which is actually meant for surveillance drives, for connecting inside a computer, which is recording from different video cameras. So it's optimized for that kind of use, but you could probably use it for other stuff as well. It would just have good endurance. Now, I have cut the packaging just to make the process of opening this drive a little simpler. There you have it. This is a 10 terabyte drive manufactured by Western Digital. It's part of their Purple lineup. It says Western Digital Purple, and it also has the purple color branding on the sticker, right? Drive looks pretty straightforward, pretty standard stuff. Nothing special in terms of how the drive looks, yeah. So you have your connectors, one for your SATA and one for the power. I switched those. So this is for your SATA, this is for your power, right? Screws for the mounting, you could of course mount it at the bottom. You could mount it on the side, which is usually normal in PC cases. Yeah. It is built for endurance, so you could expect a good deal of I/O operations on it, and it should last. I think these ship with 3-year warranty. So now that I've placed it down very carefully, all right. So look out for our full review on newsbytes.ph. We will test this drive, do some transfer operations on it, and see how it performs, and share all that information with you in a detailed review.